Hi, welcome to One's Academy. In this lesson, we will explore how to effectively manage your users in ones.com. User management plays a vital role as it enables seamless communication and collaboration amongst individuals in various departments and roles. Additionally, it provides a solid foundation for account permissions across different team levels and functions. We will talk about user management from the following aspects. First, invite users to join your team and manage user information. Second, create an organizational structure. Third, configure user groups. And last, integrate accounts with third-party apps for single sign-on. Imagine you just created your own instance of ones.com and now you need to invite the rest of your team members to collaborate on projects. Upon logging in to ones.com, team admins can invite new members by navigating to the Invite Members button on the bottom left corner of the system homepage. New members can be invited via email or a shared link, and you can manage which apps the new members can access. Once the invitation is sent, members can easily complete the registration process by registering their company email and setting a password. When your team has a simple structure and is small, you can easily send invites to join via email. In the Invite Member screen, simply enter the email of the person you want to invite, select the specific app permissions you want to give them, and then send the invitation. You can also send email invitations in bulk by separating out the emails with a space or new line. When your team is large and it's more of a hassle to track down everyone's email addresses, you can use the link invitation to send out invites. This quickly allows you to generate a unique invitation link that team members can simply click on to fill in their information and seamlessly join the team. Each link remains active for 24 hours, accommodating up to 50 invitees. Moreover, to ensure the utmost security, you can deactivate the link at any time once the members successfully join the team, eliminating any potential risks associated with link exposure. You can conveniently track both email invitations and link invitations in the invitation history section. Once a new member has accepted the invitation and activated their account, they will be added to the members list under Configuration. In this section, you can immediately view the email addresses and department information of all the members who have joined. Furthermore, you can click into each member's individual profile page to access and update more detailed information such as their username, organization, position, department, and which apps they're allowed to use. This user detail page is also where you reset passwords. If a member leaves the team, it is important to promptly remove them to protect your organization's data. You can delete inactive members one by one through accessing their individual profile page, or can easily in bulk remove them directly from the member list. Once your whole team is here, they will need to be assigned to their specific departments. This helps with permissions controls and also reflects your organizational structure for cross-departmental collaboration. Assigning departments can be done by seamlessly syncing with an existing organizational framework through third-party integration such as LDAP, AD, and API sync, or by creating one manually with the help of the team admins in the members screen. Currently, organizational structure synchronization is only available on ones.com on-premises. On the member management page, you'll find the initial layout of the organizational structure. Simply click the More drop-down next to each department to create new departments and subdepartments, rename them, or remove them as needed. After creating all the departments, you can then assign individual members to join their respective departments or bulk assign members into a department. We mentioned that we also integrate with third-party apps for organization management such as Google and Slack. This integration allows administrators to quickly sync existing organizational structures and member information within the ones.com system, streamlining the team creation process while ensuring organizational consistency. In ones.com, a user group is a set of members with similar permissions. For example, you can have an admin user group and a manager user group. It's commonly used to control permissions for specific roles or project groups, and unlike fixed departments in the organizational structure, user groups provide a more flexible approach to managing member permissions. You can add a new user group in Configuration, User Management, User Group, and click the Create button to create user groups. As you're setting up permissions, you can then select the respective user groups and assign the appropriate access rather than using department-level permissions. For larger teams and frequent cross-departmental collaboration needs, you can assign user groups to ensure more control over member roles and permissions. In typical business situations, we frequently come across projects that involve collaboration across different departments and roles. In these cases, user groups created for project members can be directly used to manage project-related permissions, eliminating the need to modify members' original departments and roles. For example, here are some scenarios where you may want to use user groups to manage your teams. Auditing, for instance, the company's audit department and senior leadership may need access to audit-related information without being in the weeds every day. By growing these members together, they can be granted view-only permissions. Cross-functional team members. Consider a colleague is constantly taking on different roles and projects and needs a lot of flexibility on their permissions. User groups can help distinguish the multitude of project responsibilities without needing to constantly change their department-based permissions. Managing outsourced team members. If your team works with outsourced individuals that don't need all the permissions of an internal team member, they can be organized into an outsourced user group for their day-to-day permissions without compromising on data security. This also eliminates the need to modify your existing organizational structure to accommodate for the outsourcing team. That's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, reach out to us at support@ones.com. See you next time.